Welcome to Aruba. Who's ready for some fun? We're going to visit a church, a beach, and that's all while we're on the Kukoo Kunuku bus party tour. We have been waiting to get to Aruba for a few years now. Everyone who visits brags about how beautiful it is, how great of a time they have, and just really trying to convince others to do the same. So with that said, we booked the next cruise to make sure we had a stop in Aruba. And I tell you what, Aruba did not disappoint. We had a great time. Let's check it out. As you can see, Aruba has a typical cruise port welcome center. There's some knickknacks, t-shirts, hats, a bite to eat, some drinks, some things you can get in there pretty easily. And then when you come outside the cruise port, you're in the waiting area to grab your excursion. And this was ours. The Kukoo Kunuku bus tour. We absolutely loved this tour. And it wasn't just a tour. We stopped. We had some food, had some drinks, checked out a church, made it to the beach for a couple hours, and then just had such a fun ride back. It was just really fun and amazing. Let's check it out.
Come on, I want to hear it. Everybody. The last one is where the chapel is. And the people get together, they're walking to this area, and then they have to be here 6 o'clock in the morning. So, depends how far your church is, you're walking. The closer one is like 3 hours walking.
The church was beautiful, well taken care of, in a super cool area filled with cactuses. So it was unusual, but great photo op. With that said, we bent a knee, we prayed a bit, back on the bus. We stopped here at the lighthouse, which was awesome, and they had drinks here. Drinks and food, which were available. Pro tip, the bus driver said, ask for sugar. Sugar means rum. So we asked for a little extra sugar in our pineapple coconut drink, and it was amazing. It had us vibing on that bus. We made it. Eagle Beach, Aruba. Beautiful area, beautiful beach, beautiful water. We loved every minute of it. Another One Bites the Dust is right. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip, get your butt to Aruba, check out the Kunuku bus tour because it is fantastic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a comment. It really helps us out. Thank you so much.